Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use Discord bots. Discord bots are essentially automated members that bring a ton of extra functionality to your server. They can help with everything from moderating chat and playing music to running fun games and providing useful information. Think of them as your server's personal assistants, working around the clock to improve the user experience for everyone. They truly make your community more dynamic and interactive. To add a bot first, you'll need to find one that suits your needs. Popular bot listing websites like top.gg offer thousands of options. Once you've chosen a bot, click its Invite button, which will redirect you to Discord's authorization page. Here, you'll select the server you wish to add it to and review the permissions it requests. Always ensure you trust the bot and its developers before granting access. Finally, confirm the authorization, and the bot will join your server. Interacting with bots is straightforward, usually involving simple text commands. Most bots respond to a specific prefix, like an exclamation mark or a slash, followed by the command name. For example, typing, play song name might start music. Many modern bots also utilize Discord's native slash commands, which offer auto-completion and make discovering functions much easier. Just type a /, and a list of available commands will often appear, guiding you through the bot's capabilities. Managing bot permissions is crucial for server security and functionality. You can adjust these settings by going into your server settings, then navigating to the Roles section. Find the bot's assigned role, which is often created automatically upon invitation. Here, you can precisely control what the bot can and cannot do, such as sending messages, managing channels, or kicking members. Always ensure a bot only has the permissions absolutely necessary for its intended purpose, maintaining a secure and well-organized server environment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.